All right, check out these roller blades. This is the Mauve Max Wheel, 80 millimeter roller blades, 4 blades here. This comes in from Cosmoid. Now, these are great. I haven't actually rollerbladed in a while, and so I thought it'd be nice to give it a try again. And just taking these out of the box, you could tell the wheels are really good. I mean, you can adjust them if you need a little bit more movement to them, but sometimes, you know, it's nice to start off a little bit slower. It does come with an additional brake that you can attach on one of the sides that you'd like to use. And I just want to talk about a few things here. Putting these on was actually really simple. So you put your foot in there and you can pull your laces up, and it has this mechanism that you can push down and it holds your laces in place. Then you have this Velcro strap that goes over, and that goes on really strong. Then you have this like ratchet strap that goes in and down, and then you close it into place. And it's really secure on your feet. So I really like that. It's really secure on your feet, and I like that a lot. Just how simple that is and just how good these work. They're quality made. They have breathable material as well, so you won't get too hot while you're in them. And it's just, it's a lot of fun to skate again and just go all around. And yeah, just it's a workout that I forgot that was such a great workout when you were a kid trying this out. So I just wanted to share these with you because if you're looking to get back into rollerblading and you're wondering, I think these are great. I highly recommend them. And thanks for watching.